Hello, and it's day 10 of the Electronic Sound Advent Calendar, and I decided this time to be prepared and to have my tools to hand, which is a wire cutter, pliers to bend and pull things through, and my strippers as well, so I might be able to strip wire. I don't know if I'm going to need extra wire in this particular video, but I'm going to keep them around because we seem to have needed them for the last few times. Right, where is day 10? Hold on, let's actually move the circuit aside. And day 10, where is it? There it is, it's down in this corner. And it is... oh yes, the other resistor that we were expecting. Okay. But this should, so it shouldn't need much in the way of actually shaping and bending, although we're going to need to reshape this other resistor. So let's just move this out of the way. And as we saw yesterday, we had our little sneak preview of 10, and all they're really doing is doubling up these resistors. So this one is 560 ohms, not kilo ohms, just ohms. So we're going to get it to the other 1k ohm, which gives us roughly 1.5k. Or 1.5 kilo ohms. Let's just tweak that so it's a bit straighter, or a bit deeper, I suppose. I'll make sure that's going into the right pin there. Put that in over here. And I have actually left the battery wired in, but that's because it's got this button, so it's not going to carry on making noise all night. And put those in together. There we go. So we've got 1.5k. Now, to be honest, the two of them, although they're going through a connector here, would act as just one 1.5k resistor. So in terms of the circuit diagram, it's only changed one thing, which is that our resistor has gone from 1k to 1.5k. And increasing that resistance basically just holds it a little bit further from ground, so we should have more stable operation. Let's see. So that's the maximum you're going to get in terms of frequency. Not sure there's quite enough there to actually play a tune with it. But we have a somewhat more stable oscillator and some more sound. So, only a short one today. I'm sure there will be something more exciting tomorrow than just another resistor, hopefully. Unless they're going to do something more interesting with the other resistor. Who knows? And I hope to see you tomorrow for the next Advent day. And go make stuff and be awesome. Bye! So, bonus material. I had a mess around with just trying to see if I can make some sound with it. It's not really stable enough to make any kind of tune. However, I had an idea. Got those two extra wires, and what I could always do is run a wire from between those two resistors across to this spare button up here, and then potentially take the other side of that spare button with the other spare bit of wire down to the ground rail. And what that will do is that means I can have that extra half K, as in 560 ohms, in line or not. So if I so you can hear that varying the tone. That's kind of handy. Now, I think because of the way that this resistance is changing, and it's actually the ratio between this resistance and this resistance that matters, the closer we are to this side here, I guess, the closer we take it clockwise, the more of an effect this will have. So when we're really low frequency, not much of an effect. If we're quite high frequency, And obviously, when we get close to the edge, that other bit will just make it so unstable it stops again. So we already knew that, but it still gives me a bit of fun there. Bonus material. Thanks. Bye.